So this is going to show you one of the most exciting posting plugins for WordPress. It's an absolute must for quick posting and getting access to media really quickly. So we've installed the plugin using the word insights from our plugin install section. The first thing we want to look at is some of the options. So we want to go into the settings menu and find the insights. Click on that. And there aren't a lot of settings, but we just want to, first thing we want to check down here is to make sure this button is clicked. Search only non-commercial Flickr images. So that's when we do our image search. It'll only return images that have the Creative Commons link on them, so there's no problem in using the images in our posts. And I've also happened to install the Google Maps module in here too. If you want to be able to insert Google Maps really easily, you want to click on that link, and Google will create an API for you that you can paste in that code in there. And we want these other boxes ticked as well. And these numbers change the amount of results that are returned. Alright, so let's get to the fun stuff. I've got a post here that I'm working on that is fairly bland. It's just text, and I want to add some media and some images to it. So here's what it looks like on the front end. I just wanted to add a picture of a brain in here to show the scanning and the science. A link to another article on this website. A link to a Wikipedia article here. And then also I want to add a YouTube video. Go back to my post. Start with the brain image. Click your cursor where you want the image to go. Scroll on down. Find the Insights bar in here. Type in the keywords. Click on the Images button. And either press Return or click Search. And live within this window you'll get a series of options. If I click on any of these images, it will insert that image into my post where I put my cursor. I like the look of that brain scan image there. So just click on that. And as you'll see here, you've got a series of sizes. Now, if you want a slightly bigger image, 500 pixels, and large there, just click on those, and then when you click on that thumbnail, it will pop in a larger image. Now, to get that image to position, what I need to do is to click on it. You'll see this image button come up. Click on that. Now you want to select either left or right to get the text to flow around it. Click on Update. Here's our picture of our brain. I might just resize that a little bit. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Now, scroll on down. It says here more about how stress affects our brain right here. Now, to create a link that goes directly to a post that's on our website, we want to click on the My Blog button. Click in now, type in our keyword, stress, press search. Now what it's doing is it's returning results for articles on this website. 5 things most people don't know about stress. And that's the one I'm looking for. If I click on that link, it will open a new window and show us on the result here. If I click on the pen icon there, it will insert a link on the text that I've highlighted. So I've highlighted those 2 words, click on the pen, and bang, that's installed a link right there. Down here I've got read more about laughter on Wikipedia right here. Now I'll highlight that text, click on the Wikipedia link, insert the keyword laughter, press search. Up comes the results. I can click on that link and it will take me to the actual article, just to make sure that I like where it's actually creating the link to. Head back to my post. Again, click on this pen icon and it's inserted the link there. Right, so we've got video article I want to insert here. Now click on the videos button. Laughter's good. I can just press search. It's going to return some live results here. Now this is great because I can click on these thumbnails and preview any of these. So I can click on that and actually play it within that window. Okay, that's cool. That's not the one I'm looking for though. I'm actually looking for this one. Laughter Yoga CNN report. Now just position my cursor in there and click on this button that says add video. And that'll pop that into the window. Now if I know my website's slightly wider than that, I can actually click on that video box and drag it out to about the dimension. You can see the numbers coming out there. You can see the numbers are rising until you get about to about 500, and we've got a slightly bigger video box. We've also got Google. We can actually search Google live within this window. We've got news, we've got blogs around the net, and books, and Google Maps. One other thing I should mention is that when Insights adds images from the Flickr website, it tends to create links with them to the larger image. So if you scroll up, find the images, click on them, and click on the unlink button, that will stop that from taking you away from your website when people click on the images. This just makes the images straight without any links on them. And just quickly I'll show you what the final result looks like. Much more interesting. Here we've got our link to our blog post that's on this site. Here we've got a link to Wikipedia about more information on laughter, and down here we've got our CNN video report that it will play when I click on it.